Hey, what is up YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly edit a sent message on WhatsApp. This feature was introduced to the app through an update that came out a year ago. After sending a message, users now have a 15-minute window where they can modify it. All you'll need to do is tap and hold on one of your recently sent messages. From the menu that appears, select the Edit option. Make the needed correction to your text, then tap the green check mark when done. Both the sender and receiver will see a small tag at the bottom right corner of the message indicating that it was recently edited. Please note, if it's been over 15 minutes since you've sent a message, you can no longer edit it. There you have it. You now know how to edit sent messages on WhatsApp. Thank me later. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.